Hi everyone, in this video, how to lock your Facebook profile in just a few steps. So follow the instruction. First, open your Facebook app on your mobile. Then tap on your profile picture. Now, right under your name, tap on three dots next to edit profile. Here, you will see the option lock profile. Tap on it. Now tap on lock your profile to confirm. Note for all friends, your profile is now locked and others people who are not your friends can no longer see your photos, posts or full profile details. That's it. Your Facebook profile is now completely locked. If this video helpful, please like and share. See you in the next video. Till then everyone stay well.